In today's video, we're going to take a look to see if it's possible to connect XM to Tradingview. Now, this is going to be a very quick and simple video to answer your question, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to find out if it's possible to connect XM to Tradingview, we first actually have to open up Tradingview. Once you have Tradingview opened, you can go ahead and open up any chart of your choice, and I'm just going to choose the S&P 500, and I'm going to go down here to open up the super chart. From there, we can now see the chart, and in order to see if we can connect XM to Tradingview, we can go down to the bottom where it says Trading Panel, and we can click on that. From there, we can see a list of brokers, and we can even scroll down and click See All Brokers to see all of the brokers which Tradingview support. Now, upon looking through this list, unfortunately XM is not an option, so that means it will not be possible to connect XM to Tradingview. However, as you can see, they do support a ton of other brokers, so if you've got another broker which is on this list, you'll have to use that instead of XM. So I hope I answered your question, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.